the elevation of the camera, and I have noted all the things that are wrong. The exact same poll, it's an impossibility. I mean, you have 41 polling stations all over the country, and the form they are giving is at the same elevation as what we have given. The picture that our PO took on the background of the Kim's kit is the same. And you can tell, and the reason why we were saying that it's an impossibility is because there's nothing else you can change from those forms. You cannot change the signature of the agents. It's an impossibility. The only thing you can change is the tallying. You can try change into JPEG and try to amend the tallying. And that is really important. That is the crux of this matter, and the court has to look at that and actually make a finding. I will try to also, to Justice Ouko's question about the stray ballots. I just want to mention that the court report bears out the assertion of the IEBC. If you look at the report that was done relating to the stray ballots, I went through the court report and actually tallied the stray ballots. It is 2 per polling station. If you project this to the whole country, there will almost 90,000 stray ballots. And the way you account for stray ballots is they are put in the polling day diary, PSD. I have provided the polling day diary for 2 of the constituencies to just give the court comfort that as IEBC we can account for each and every ballot. To the question that has been asked by Justice Wanjala on the turnout, a clarification was given, and this is the assertion of the petitioners. They are saying we are not interested in the clarification given by the chairman. We are going to take that turnout of 65.4 as against the total registered voters. Okay, then come to the conclusion that there are votes that are unaccounted for. And we are telling him that is not how we do it. Okay, turnouts, we give the number of people who either have passed through that kit at a snapshot. Okay, and there's nothing much about it. The declaration is made on the actual physical ballots that we count. We count the physical ballots. After counting the physical ballots, we tally it. Madam DCJ asked about the rejected ballots, whether they are different from the rejected. So the way we calculate turnout refers to the number of people who have passed through that polling station in the 46,229 polling station in the Republic. We have not even reached the issue of rejected ballots or anything. It's how many people appeared that day. So we have a number. Then we do the counting. After counting, we get rejected ballots. So how do we determine 50 plus 1? We will say, okay, what are the total votes cast? And we will refer to the 2013 and 2017 decision of this court that said rejected ballots are not a choice of preference and the same have to be removed. So the idea that turnout is affected by rejected ballots or doesn't matter, it's just a measure of transparency. And you have to understand how the reporting of the KIMS happens for you to be able to do. We only give what we can at the time, and we'll keep on doing that. With those
Thank you, Councillor. You're not even being heard. But thank you for answering our questions. On the kit, please deal with the registrar of the court. Thank you for your assistance. Your time is up.
And thank you. And the slides are from our affidavits. They are available for clarification to the court. Thank
you. My lady, I do not know whether you can give me 2 minutes to respond to Lady Justice Jokindong.
You're not helping me to do my day's work very nicely.
I'm sorry.
But 2 minutes would mean 2 minutes.
Yes, please.
So that you don't go away saying you are not heard.
Thank you very much, Deputy Chief Justice. The Honorable Justice Jokindong wanted to know from me of my personal experience as a draftsman